Hello, fabric enthusiasts. Welcome back to FabFlaire. Today, we're diving into an essential topic that affects every piece of clothing in your wardrobe: fabric care. Knowing how to properly care for your clothes can extend their lifespan and keep them looking fresh. In this video, we'll explore some invaluable tips on washing, drying, and storing your clothes. Let's get started. Washing your clothes. Now, let's talk about washing your clothes. The key here is to pay attention to fabric types and clothing labels. Check the care labels on your clothes. They often provide specific instructions on water temperature, cycle type, and whether you should hand wash or use a machine. For delicates, like silk or lace, opt for a gentle hand wash or use a mesh laundry bag to protect them in the machine. It's important to separate your laundry. Keep darks, lights, and whites separate to prevent color bleeding. Use the right amount of detergent, not too much, not too little, and consider using a detergent specifically designed for your washing machine type. When washing, also consider the water temperature. Colder water is gentler on clothes and helps conserve energy, while hotter water is better for heavily soiled items. For most everyday clothing, a cold or warm cycle should suffice. If you're dealing with tough stains, don't rush to the dryer. Treat the stains before washing. There are various stain removers available, or you can use simple household items like baking soda or dish soap. And lastly, always zip up zippers, fasten buttons, and turn items with delicate embellishments inside out. This minimizes friction and prevents damage during the washing cycle. Remember, proper washing is the first step in extending the life of your clothes. By paying attention to fabric care labels, separating your laundry, and using the right settings, you'll keep your wardrobe looking its best for years to come. Drying your clothes. Now, let's move on to the crucial step of drying your clothes. Proper drying can help prevent shrinkage and fabric damage. When using a dryer, the temperature setting is vital. Low or medium heat is usually safe for most fabrics, as high heat can cause shrinking and damage. Don't overcrowd the dryer. Clothes need space to tumble freely, allowing for even drying. For delicate items or clothes with embellishments, consider air drying. This gentle option preserves the fabric and extends the life of your clothing. Avoid over-drying. Many people tend to run their dryer cycles longer than necessary. Over-drying can weaken fibers and lead to static, so use a timer or moisture sensor if your dryer has one. If you're in a hurry and need clothes to dry faster, try using dryer balls or clean tennis balls. They help separate clothes, reduce drying time, and soften fabrics naturally. Remember, air drying is a gentle and energy-efficient way to dry your clothes, and it's particularly suited for delicate fabrics. When using a dryer, always choose the right heat setting, avoid overloading it, and prevent overdrying. These practices will help preserve your clothes and save energy. Proper drying complements your fabric care routine, ensuring your wardrobe remains in top condition. Storing your clothes. Last but not least, let's discuss storing your clothes. How you store your clothes can impact their condition over time. Invest in good hangers. Wooden, padded, or felt-covered hangers are gentle on your clothes and help maintain their shape. Use garment bags for items like suits, dresses, and special occasion wear. These bags protect your clothes from dust and light, keeping them in great condition. Fold heavy items like sweaters to prevent them from stretching out when hanging. Store them on shelves or in drawers. Regularly rotate your wardrobe. When the season changes, switch out your clothes to prevent long-term fabric compression. And there you have it, some essential tips for caring for your clothes. Proper fabric care can make a world of difference in the longevity and appearance of your wardrobe. It's a small investment of time and effort that pays off in the long run. Remember, always check clothing labels, use the right settings on your washer and dryer, and invest in quality storage solutions to keep your clothes in top shape. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful advice on fashion and lifestyle. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video.